It's time to do something that I haven't done in quite a while. No, this is not drugs. It's shoe polish, my friends. I haven't polished a pair of shoes in a real long time, okay? And this pair of boots really needs it. They've been sitting around for a long time. They're dull, they're dry, and they need a good shining, you know what I mean? Right now, they're looking like an old lady down in Florida that's like, I've got a tan. You can already tell the one on the left looks a little bit better, right? I mean, it's a lot more deep color, we'll say. And this part right here, this is where the magic happens, my friends. You heat that wax right up, and then you break out your I'm assuming 50s shoe polisher from Sears Roebuck, which I'm assuming everybody has one of these bad boys kicking around, somewhere in the closet, right? You probably have one of these. This fucking thing is awesome. Holy shit. Highly recommend. Don't know if they still make them, but if they do, get you a Sears and Roebuck fucking shoe polisher or whoever makes them these days. I don't fucking know. And shine this thing up, because otherwise you got to do this by hand. Could you imagine doing this by hand? I mean, Christ, this took me long enough with this shoe polisher. This was like half an hour, 40 minutes per shoe. It's not an easy process, but it's well worth it because they are going to shine like a brand new pair, probably better than when they were new, honestly. I don't know how these things looked when they were new, but I'm willing to bet that this coat of wax and polish here is going to look a lot better on this pair of shoes. This is probably the best they've ever fucking looked. I mean, look at that thing. That thing shines. You can see the light coming off of it compared to the dull one here. But you think we're done yet? Nope. This fucker comes with attachments, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna bump this bitch out. Look at this thing go. The RPMs on this thing are amazing. This literally was like effortless shoe polishing. I might open a shoe polishing business had I known that these things are in existence. I'm gonna use this thing to make myself $1 million. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That shine is gorgeous. It reflects the light. Look at that dull thing, and then you got this beautiful one. Yeah, buddy. But we had to do the other one. You know what I'm talking about? Look at these things. They are parade ready. Holy shit, I could walk right into your mom's house with these and she would totally just pull my pants off. Look at this. I mean, gorgeous, my friends. Take the time to make your shit look good. You know what I mean? It will treat you right if you treat it right.